morning, guys. Let me turn this off. Okay, good morning, guys. So I just finished dropping off my kids. I'm literally still at the school. I just dropped off my children and now I gotta go home. I'm going to the gym. Like, I already got dressed up for the gym. I've been lacking with the gym. Like, it's been a week that I haven't been to the gym, and I no, and that doesn't work for me. So I'm going to the gym. I'm just gonna go walk because I don't want to go straight to weightlifting. So I'm just gonna go do, at least I'm gonna do my steps today, and then yeah, after the gym I have like a couple errands I would like to run, and then I have to go home and cook and things like that. I just have like a regular schmegula mom schedule at this point. So basically, as you can see, I ended up doing a little bit of like weight training, like upper body, and a little bit. I don't do too heavy on my upper body because I already have big arms. I don't need them to get any bigger. So after I was done, I was like, usually I go back to the treadmill, but I was like, I kind of want to try steps today. Reason why I don't go on steps is because a long time ago, when probably like, I don't know, like this is a long time ago, I tried the stepper, and when I tell you, I almost passed out. I almost passed out. So I was like, I'm not doing this again. With that being said, like, I never got on the stairs. I just don't like them. I would rather go on the treadmill and do like an inclined walk than go on the steps. I just don't do that. So today I was like, you know what, let me try this, whatever, you know. First of all, it is better than, like, personally I thought it was, like, I sweated way more, so I'm assuming, and my heart rate was really high. So like it is a lot, like, more work than just being on like an inclined walk. And I was around 4 to 7, like around that range. And when I tell y'all, I sweated so much in that 2 seconds, and on top of it, like, I'm exhausted. Again, I feel like I'm gonna pass out, but I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep going on there until like I build up my stamina and I'm able to be on there for longer. But my legs, oh my god, my legs, it's crazy how, like, anyway, all I'm saying is basically I like it. I'm gonna go on there way more, like, you know, a lot more. But I'm gonna cook chicken, maybe rice. I don't know yet. I have to clean this kitchen. I'm kind of tempted to just do all this before I go shower. That way, when I shower, I can just sit down and not have to like come run around again. I'm so tired. I've been having like a really bad sleeping schedule, so I'm like exhausted all the time. Like, I'm hoping today, I'm trying to make change because it's really affecting my day. So I really want to start sleeping early. I'm gonna see if I can start sleeping early today. We'll see how that goes. I always say that and do other things. Well, let me open this blind. It's dark. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Say hi, people. You hear her purring? The tent. This is what it's looking like. It's so cute. Anyway, this is what I'm having for dinner. Some rice and salmon. and some passion juice. But yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.